Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw small letter alphabets. Kids, first we use black color and now we draw small letter A. A for ant. Kids, the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Now we draw E. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The letter of G. G for God. Kids, we again draw the letter of A. A for apple. Now we draw B. The next one is C. Now we draw D. Now we draw E. F. Kids, now we draw the letter of G. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I. And the next one is J. Now we draw K. And the next one is L. Now we draw M. N. N for nose. Kids, we again draw H. And the next one is I. Now we draw J. And the next one is K. Now we draw L. The next one is M. And now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, today we draw small letter alphabets A to N. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.